Hi, Namaste. How are you, my dear friends? Um, the topic we are going to discuss here today is fear versus phobia. A lot of people do not know the difference between fear and phobia. Okay, now what is fear? Fear is something you can identify it in this lifetime. For example, if a cockroach, of that flying cockroach, if it comes and sits on your cheek, something, it's so eerie, the whole feeling is so creepy and eerie that you just are averse to cockroaches and you hate cockroaches. There are a lot of people who hate cockroaches. So you can identify that. People are scared of dogs. It can happen that one stray dog could have bitten you, and from then on you were just scared of dogs. The fear of dogs is just there. So fear is something that you can identify with in this lifetime. Like if you're a swimmer and for some reason you experience a drowning kind of an experience, you get scared of water. Identify them. Those are fears. Versus phobia. Phobia is something that you cannot identify it in this lifetime. Phobia is much more deep rooted. And people who have a phobia, like people have phobia of darkness, people have phobia of heights, people have phobia of reptiles, things like that. Certain things, of fire, of anything. The phobia, when something like that happens, like if you see a reptile, people, I know a very close friend of mine used to be so paranoid about a lizard. If she ever saw a lizard anywhere near her, there was a panic attack. I mean, you couldn't control her. The phobia is to, when a person has a phobia, he goes into those kind of things that you can't control. You don't know what's happening to you. You can't handle yourself. It's in a very extreme case. You're not just scared. It's a phobia. It's a mental disorder. Something has gone wrong if you see a lizard, or you see any of these things about which you have a phobia. So phobia is very deep rooted, and phobia has its roots in some past life. Something probably has happened to you in some past life which has carried forward and not been resolved at that point in time. It has carried forward in this lifetime. That is why it's so magnified and you cannot identify it in this lifetime. But the phobia is there. It's so scary. I don't know if you've met anybody who's got a phobia, but if you do meet, you will know the difference between fear and phobia. Fear is lighter. It's okay, fine. I'm scared of dogs. Please keep the dog away. Keep the dog away. That much. But a phobia is on another level, and it's a mental disorder. So if you go into a past life and find out from a proper past life regression therapist and find out what is the reason for this phobia, you will get your answers. It will be resolved in this lifetime. So in the next lifetime, whenever you take a physical birth again, you will not be facing this phobia. Okay. Now when it comes to fear or phobias, in this lifetime, if you don't know how to go to a past life regressionist or you're not comfortable, whatever, there's a simple way of doing it. This is mainly the root chakra problem, the Muladhara chakra problem. Muladhara chakra problem is a fear-based chakra. All fears are all settled there, or they get concentrated in the Muladhara chakra. So the activation of the Muladhara chakra and to awaken the Muladhara chakra is one of the reasons how you can overcome your fears and your phobias. Your phobia will definitely become lesser if that happens, if you can correct your Muladhara chakra. Now, I have done a lot of videos on chakras. You can refer to any of those videos of my chakras and you can start doing that meditation, not only of the root chakra, the Muladhara chakra, but all the chakras. Because all the chakras are connected with each other inside. The whole nervous system, the whole body is connected with each other. So don't only concentrate on the Muladhara chakra. I would advise and recommend you to do all the chakras, but the problem is of the Muladhara chakra. Okay, so friends, when you are in fear of something, and if you feel this fear is increasing by the day, Do not let it hit the point where a point of no return. Start working on your fears now. Because the more fearful you will get about things, the more stronger that fear will become. It's very difficult to live with fears. Now, getting scared of cockroaches and dogs is a very small thing. But there are some people who are very scared of lot other things, which becomes a handicap. And we don't want to live in fear. You got to have a fearless life. That fear starts eating you up. The fear will manifest in some part of your body, some way or the other. So let it not, if you are in that zone, do not just go on about it or neglect or overlook it. These are very dangerous factors in your life. As you grow older, the fear becomes stronger. It will be very difficult for you to live your rest of your life based on this fear, because there are a lot of other fears that are there. But let not this one particular fear of yours, which is a bother, which is a problem, grow. We have answers to all your problems. So if you want to connect to me, you are most welcome. I'll be happy to help you. So please write down your comments in the comment box. I would definitely help you, and do check out my website www.smitajaikar.com. Thank you very much and love you all. Namaste.